Alright, Smith & Wesson model 442. Get that unloaded there. So, bought this gun to carry in my pocket when I'm at work or just generally around. It's a hammerless airweight 38 special. One of the problems with these, or not really a problem, but one of the designs of most of these snub nose 38s that could be better is the sights on these things. As you can see on this one, this is pretty standard. You have just basically a gutter sight cut all the way across the top and an absolute black front sight. So I got some Birchwood and Casey sight touch-up pins. And the directions on this says, with the cap on, shake vigorously for 30 seconds before use and occasionally during use. Twist cap to remove, depress tip a few times, start paint flow, replace cap tightly and store. With side open unused, blah, blah, blah. Thought I read somewhere that putting the white on and then putting it, use on front and or rear sights for better sight visibility. Apply 2 layers of white undercoat and then apply a fluorescent red or neon green to make the color even brighter. Brighter sights, blah blah blah. Yeah. Not entirely sure what this. I thought it. I don't know how long this thing dries for, but. Okay, well, anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to come on this gun and I'm going to put some white on this front sight, 2 layers. I'll give it about 30 minutes or so to dry in between each of them. And then we'll apply, I think I'm going to do the green. So yeah, 2 layers of white, 1 layer of green, 30 minutes apart. And we'll be back and show you how that went. Or you know what? Actually, let's do it right here on the video. I'm going to pause the video, reposition the camera, and we'll do it right here on the camera. Alright, here we go. So, shaking this thing for 30 seconds. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, take the cap off, see what it does to this. There we go. Got a little paint there. It seems to be wanting to come. Let's see. No, it sure ain't. Well, hang on, let me see if I can get this thing to work. I'll be back. Alright, so I got the damn thing to work, but I wasn't too careful with this and got some damn paint where I didn't want it. Oh fuck. It's gonna do the whole fucking front. I'll get that off of there. God damn it. Went all over. Should have been more careful, but I wasn't. Now just take the whole fucking thing off. It's easier. It's kind of staying, looks like, on the on the serrations on that front sight post. We get most of this shit. Didn't really want it on the side, but I'm gonna be more careful this time. So, here we go. Down. Still got a little too far right there. Shit. Shit. A lot on that barrel there. Alright, so we're going to give this about a good 30 minutes or so to dry. Looks pretty good, but still, yeah, that's sort of where I didn't want it. We start from the bottom of these serrations. Shit, every time I open that damn thing, it's somewhere I don't want it. Okay, whatever. It ain't gotta be fucking perfect, but oh man, I don't want it on down the side of this sight here. Really, I gotta be more careful with the green than anything else, but we might just call that where it is and just let it fucking dry. Yeah, we're gonna let that dry for about 30 minutes there. Looks pretty good. All right, let's see if this thing is dry. Seems pretty dry to me. Don't think I got any paint on my finger there. So we're gonna add a second coat. Try to be a little more careful than we were the first time around. Let's see. The edge is good. I think part of the problem I was having the first time with this was that I was pressing down too hard, and that's what was making it run. So let's see how that does there. All right, so let's give this thing about another. Ooh, that looks like it's edging up there. Let's give this thing, so I'm gonna get this edge here. Add a little more to that. All right, so let's see if we can let this thing dry in about 30 more minutes, and then we'll add the green. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. We got our second coat of Birchwood and Casey's sight. Shit, I can't even think of the fucking name. Got our second coat, Birchwood and Casey sight touch up, the white. So we're gonna see if it's dry. Looks like it's pretty dry to me. So let's see if we can rub this off. I don't think we can. That's gonna be good. Okay. Maybe we rubbed a little bit, not much off. All right, we're gonna put our green on. So we're gonna shake this up for about 30 seconds, as the instructions told. We're gonna get this last coat on, and we're gonna let it sit all night long. Make sure we get a good dry seal on this. So. All right, let's see if we can get this thing. Takes a little bit to get these working. I have noticed since our first one. I put a little bit of something there. It's gonna take a second. Let's get back on. Let's see here. Alright, so reached fucking max capacity on my iPhone, so I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. Deleted a few things. Come on, damn it. So I'm gonna put the green on if I can get that goddamn thing to come. It's starting to come. Let's see if I can get this into focus. It's getting there. But it ain't quite there yet. Put the cap on. Fucking thing up. There we go. It's starting to green up now. Good. Okay. This thing's good and green. Let's apply this. Let's see here. Want a nice thick coat of green. Even. It's not quite even. Seems like this little brush is kind of leaving some of the brush behind, but let's see if I can clean that up. Alright, just smooth it out. Get just where I want it to be. Looks pretty good, pretty good. Nail bed there. Shit. Alright. I may put another shit. I'm having to find clean fucking parts of this toilet paper here to get it all off. I may put another coat of green on it, but looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. We'll give it another 30 minutes, see what it looks like, but pretty sure that's about where I want it. So we'll see. This stuff is supposed to, I think I read it's supposed to glow in the dark. I got it on midway. It's supposed to glow in the dark, so we'll see what it looks like in night. But I don't guess it really matters that much. But we'll see what it looks like in the dark when it dries. All right, been about 30 minutes. We're gonna give this a second coat of green and see how we're doing here. So is that fucking, yeah, it's going. Oh, nice. This just doesn't seem to be really going like the white was. So I got it going pretty good now. I want to get the top of these serrations real well. Having to kind of go a little further than, do a little more than I need to on the sides and things to get this nice thick coat on. See if I can wipe the side of it off here. Yeah, looks like it's doing. Looks like I'm able to wipe that side off. I'm gonna wipe it. Alright, pretty sure I've got that pretty well. Not the cleanest job in the world, but hey, I mean, not exactly perfectly square or anything like that, but it's pretty freaking good. I mean, for what it's supposed to be, I guess it'll work. We'll see. I'll take it out and see if the sights will does any good on the paper target. But anyway, all right, so that is a front sight touch up with the Birchwood and Casey sight touch up pins. All right, y'all have a good day.